Markets tried to cut through the chatter on Monday, and it was positive for the broader market complex that U.S.-China trade relations seem to be back on track for the Phase 1 trade deal following Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's meeting with Chinese trade officials last week in Hawaii. Now, traders are also keeping a close eye on COVID-19 flare-ups around the country, but so far those seem to be isolated enough pockets it's not too concerning. And they're looking through that, they're looking at the data, and that's very positive for the economic reopening of the country as we see the Chicago Federal Reserve's National Activity Index actually show growth in the U.S. economy in the month of May rather than the sharp contraction that we saw in April and the contraction that was predicted for May. In the grain complex, that's going to end mixed. Corn and soybeans lower, wheat higher. We did see beneficial rains over parts of the growing region, and it accumulated enough to sideline those weather bulls on Monday. Now, in the export inspections, a decent day for corn, back over 1 million metric tons. Year to date, though, still about 10 million metric tons short. Soybeans hit a multi-month low in those export inspections, though, at 255,000 metric tons. December new crop corn futures settled 341 3/4. November new crop soybeans settle 879 1/4. July Chicago wheat settles 485, and July Kansas City wheat will settle 431 1/4. In the livestock trade, it is mostly lower across on Monday. That's as we continue to see traders be somewhat cautious to see what China has to say now that they've banned most poultry imports from the U.S. over COVID-19 concerns, though companies like Tyson say that their product is safe and they're trying to quickly reopen those trading channels. Midday, we did see box beef finally see a little bit of a turnaround in the choice and select prices after weeks of falling prices. August live cattle will settle $95.12, August feeder cattle will settle $31.75, and August lean hogs will settle at $51.10. That is a check here of your closing markets on this Monday, June the 22nd. I'm Clay Patton. Have a great afternoon. Be sure to stop back by tomorrow as we recap the latest in crop progress numbers.